Hi, I'm Mark Anthony at Maceau Law. You've seen the video that speaks in general terms about why a small business should contact Maceau Law for assistance. Today I want to speak more specifically to some of those issues, namely accounts payable and receivable, profits. How do we get more profits into your pocket and have less expenses going out of your pocket? I want to speak about some anecdotes about some clients in the past who have utilized Maceau Law and my services and been benefited by that. So in regards to accounts payable, we had a situation where a client was being billed an outrageous amount of money by a vendor who had provided internet and communication services. However, that vendor had offered horrible services in that every time a phone was picked up, it was staticky. Phone lines were dropped. Customers were lost. It was a horrible process for my client. And he refused to pay the bill because of that. Well, he came to me because they were threatening a lawsuit, and we discussed the issues and the options. I contacted the creditor and spoke to them about our issues. We had negotiation for a period of time, a short period of time actually, and we were able to come to an agreement where it avoided my client having to go to another state to litigate this issue. And that would have happened because the contract he had signed stated that New York state law would apply. And that would have been extremely costly to my client, more so than what the bill was. Moreover, we were able to negotiate where we did not countersue because of the poor quality of their service. And they were happy that we didn't do that to them. In that situation, I was able to save my client tens of thousands of dollars. Now, in regards to the accounts receivable, now you have customers, you have clients, you want them to pay their bills on time. And as you know, sometimes that doesn't happen. That happened to a few of my clients who came to me. In one situation, a client was owed approximately $80,000 for services they had rendered during the Black Forest fire. Unfortunately, the creditor or the debtor decided not to pay it. They didn't think they had to. That's when my client came to me. I got involved, started a negotiation process, and within 3 weeks was able to receive that check from my client. Now, these results may not apply to everyone. It's case specific, but this is the type of service that we render here at Maceau Law. So who of you are in a similar situation where you're dealing with a costly accounts payable that you don't really feel is fair, or an accounts receivable where a client or customer is not paying you on time? Give us a call, we can help. I'm Mark Anthony at Maceau Law, and you deserve a break.